Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you an AMG body styling. For wheels, we've got 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Up front, we've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, an espresso brown leather interior, pano sunroof, brushed aluminum running boards, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one comes with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Distronic Plus, pre-safe, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, wood trim, illuminated door sills. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. Also includes the advanced parking assistance package, which is going to give you Parktronic active with hands-free comfort package, Parktronic, surround view sound, surround view system, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad wheel for infotainment center. This GLC has 58,176 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.